friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sauteed snow peas in a frying pan here. So what we need is snow peas, olive oil or any kind of cooking vegetable oil, and I have garlic powder, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, and sesame seeds. And if you don't have any of those seasonings, just substitute it with whatever seasonings you like. It's totally up to you. Now the snow peas, I don't trim them. I know a lot of recipes and videos will tell you to trim each snow pea and remove the strings, but I find like it's too much work and it tastes just fine without it. So the less work, the better. So I'm going to start off by putting olive oil on a frying pan. So oil is just for flavor. If you'd like to use less oil, you can. It's totally up to you. This is a non-stick pan, so it doesn't really need that much oil. I just like the taste, and let's turn on the heat on high. And I'm going to add the snow peas. And I'm going to sprinkle it with garlic powder and red pepper flakes. And let's now stir it until it's all combined and evenly coated with oil. So now all the spices are mixed in. As you can hear, it starts sizzling. And when you hear the oil sizzling, you can reduce heat to medium-high. And now let's continue cooking, stirring every minute for about 5 minutes or until desired crispness. Now it's been cooking for about 4 minutes. And it looks ready. See how they changed the color to bright green? And you can always try and see if it's crispy enough for you, whether it's cooked enough. If not, you can always cook it a little bit more. So to me, they're ready. And now at the very end, let's season it with soy sauce and sesame seeds. So soy sauce, I'm just using it instead of salt, so just use it to taste. Just kind of pour it a little bit, mix and see if it's salty enough for your liking. And now I will add sesame seeds. It looks so good. So add the seasonings and mix. All done. Delicious sauteed snow peas are ready. Now let me turn off the heat and I will move it to the plate. This looks so good, so healthy and delicious. Now let's try it. I'm so excited to try it. I love snow peas. Tender and crisp, perfect texture. These are delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy healthy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!